इफ यू आर फ्रॉम हिंदी मीडियम, अरे हिंदी मीडियम से हो तो क्या दिक्कत है यार, क्यों पछता रहे हो? इंग्लिश मीडियम में नहीं पढ़े हो तो जरूरी थोड़ी ना कि इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले ही इंग्लिश बोलेंगे, किसी मीडियम की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर आप हिंदी मीडियम से पढ़े हो और आपको इंग्लिश बोलने नहीं आता, आपको डिमोटिवेशन हो रहा है, तो सुनो इस वीडियो को गौर से। इफ यू आर फ्रॉम हिंदी मीडियम, यू कांट स्पीक इंग्लिश, डोंट वरी माय फ्रेंड, लेट मी टेल यू, टू स्पीक इंग्लिश you no need to belong to a specific medium. What you need is the right plan and consistency, and practice consistency, because consistency is the key to achieve success. With proper guidance, tips and tricks, smart strategy, if you follow smart strategy, if you follow good plan with smart way, practice consistency, you will rock in no time. So create a plan and stick to this plan for upcoming 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, according to your level. Whatever your level, according to your level, you create your plan. And just look at Sachin Tendulkar, Amir Khan, and many other Bollywood stars, sport persons, and politicians. They may not have good qualifications, they may not have high qualifications, but still they all speak English fluently and confidently in front of the media person, in front of the gathering, in front of the public. How is it possible? What's the secret behind this celebrity English, this sportsman English, this Bollywood stars English, this politicians English? What's the secret? Secret is nothing. There is only a good plan, good strategy, and dedication, consistency. With the help of these tools, they all rock in spoken English. So, can you also? Why you can't? If they do it, why you can't? You can. Without demotivating, without hesitating, without only thinking, create a plan and stick to the plan and follow your plan, your own plan according to your level. Because if you create plan, you create according to your level, according to your thoughts, according to your merits and demerits. So you can follow your plan properly. If you follow your plan properly, you will see the difference, huge difference in your spoken English level. So friends, don't lose your hope, never give up. So go ahead and create your plan and stick to the plan and maintain consistency. Okay, if you have any doubt in your brain, remove any doubt. If you have in your mind, you can't do it, don't think such type of negative sentences. You absolutely can. Okay, go and create your plan and stick to the plan, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Shama English. If you have any problem, if you want any suggestion from me, comment to me and go and start learning skills. Okay, thank you.